Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we will see how to install Windows 11. So let's get started. So guys, to install Windows 11, first we have to download it. So you can download the ISO file from the link given in the description. And I will be using VMware to install Windows 11, and I also recommend you to use VMware or VirtualBox as it is not the final version of Windows 11 and there are many bugs for now, so that's why I am using VMware. So after downloading, let's move to installing Windows 11. So to install Windows 11 in VMware, first we have to create a new virtual machine. In my case, I will choose the ISO file. Here it is unable to detect the operating system, so no problem. In next option, you have to choose Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 64-bit. After that, I will click on next. Here I will give my virtual machine a name, and if you want to change the location you can change that, but for me it looks perfect. And here you can change the size of your hard disk. For me, I will keep it 40 GB, and from here you can change some another specification of this machine as you want. So I am modifying it in my way. Once all is done, click on finish. Now to start the machine, we have to play virtual machine. And here we have to click enter. Here I will just click on next and I will click on install now. Here just click on I don't have a product key, and here there are different versions of Windows 10. You can choose the one which you have to install, and here just accept all their terms and conditions and then click on next. Now here we have to click on the second option, and here I will modify my hard disk and I will simply click on next, and here you can see that the installation is now started. So I will be back to you once the installation is completed. And now here it is asking me to restart my PC, so simply I will click on restart now button. And you can see that my VM is now started again and it is booting into Windows. And you can see that after installation of the Windows it is setting up, so this means that our installation is now completed successfully. And here you can see the new UI by Windows 11, and here it is asking my country, so simply I will select India and then I will click on yes. And here you can select your keyboard layout and then you can click on next, and if you want to add the second layout then you have to click on add layout. For me, I will just click on escape. Now it is checking for some Windows update, and here it is asking you to, if you want to set up for office or school, then you have to click on second option, but for me I will select the first option and then I will click on next. And here it is asking me to sign in into my Outlook account, but for now I will set up this offline, so I will select the second option and here I will select limited experience. Now here it is asking my name, and it is asking my password. Now it is asking to set up my some security questions, so I will be back to you after setting my questions. Here you can change this setting, and after doing this just click on next, next and accept. So here you can see that our Windows 11 is now successfully installed, and here is the start menu of Windows 11. First let me install the VMware tools, and let me change the display setting to make it more better. So to install VM tools, I will just click on the first option, and here you can see that the installation is now started, and I will just click on next, and here I will click on second option, next, and then install. And once the installation is complete, I will click on finish, and then it is asking me to start my PC, so I will click on yes to start my PC again. And here you can see the login screen of Windows 11, and let me enter my password. And here you can see that I am now logged into Windows 11. So let me also change the display settings. So here you can see the complete setup of Windows 11, and you can see all the new features and new icons by Windows 11. So for now that's much for today's video, and I will not discuss about all the features of Windows 11 because there are already so many videos available on YouTube, and this is not the final version of Windows 11. Like many things can also change. So once the final Windows will come, then I will make the videos about top features of Windows 11. So make sure to subscribe for that video, and if you have any question you can comment below, and you can download Windows 11 from the link given in the description.